It's been at least 5 years since he used these, so whoops. Okay guys, today we are tackling my kitchen. I know the volume in here is terrible, the acoustics, because it's a big open space. My dishwasher is going. I don't have any rugs, but we're gonna start with my fridge, which I won't judge you if you do decluttering videos. Please don't judge me. It's been a while since I cleaned it out. We're gonna clean that out. We're gonna go through all my cupboards, and then we're gonna go through my pantry, which I did a video on, I think 2 years ago. And it's still mostly organized, but needs some tidying. So that's what we're gonna do today. You're welcome to declutter with me. Just watch, have fun. Judge me inside, but don't leave comments. Judgy comments, I'm okay with that. So let's start this decluttering. It's time to get started on all the cupboards, and honestly this is the one I'm the most excited about. I went through it a little bit in my entire house declutter with me, and I need to pull everything out. There's there's a lot of stuff to get rid of. This cat wants to get into every frame. Hi. So we're gonna start pulling all the things out from all the cupboards, but starting with the one that I think is probably the worst. I have things like this, whatever it's called, it's for canning, pulling cans out of a pot. I can't can, so I may as well get rid of this. Also, the kids are playing outside and the window's open, and they're hitting each other with pool noodles. But it's all fun right now. So, something right away that I'm going to get rid of. Things like nutcrackers I struggle with because I don't use it very often, like once a year at Christmas. Maybe I should put it away with the Christmas stuff. There's an idea. This just goes to show how long it's been since I cleaned this out. Stuff is coming out from this drawer, falling down there. I found old eye patches that Ephraim used to use. It's been at least 5 years since he used these, so whoops. Here's what I pulled out to get rid of from that drawer. Ice cube trays that I used to use for like baby food and freezing milk. These are like, we're gonna use them for chocolate molds. These two are kind of large, so they can also be ice cube trays, but we don't need them. Spice balls, I have some other ones. This random plate, I don't know what it's from. Pieces of my pressure cooker that I never use. This is for canning, random things. These things were really good. We used them for many years. These containers, they're great for like taking to school. But I don't know, I just feel like we don't use them anymore. And I don't foresee us using them, so I'm gonna get rid of those. That's all just from one cupboard. I decided to get rid of these containers because we never actually use them. I got them the same time I got those lunch containers that are like separated. And then I had a bunch of lids that I don't even have the containers for anymore, so I should get rid of those. This one, this lid has never stayed on this container properly, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And some other things. I'm not sure about the pie plate yet. I haven't used it in years. And gluten-free pie crusts are just, you're better off buying them, so I think I'm gonna get rid of those. And then some other random things, like this is broken, and this water bottle doesn't have a lid. And you know, when you have little kids, you're constantly getting too many medicine cups. My donation bag is getting full. Let's move that. So a lot of these drawers are, like, they need to be cleaned and stuff, but there's nothing to declutter because that's just my pots and pans. And then over here, this is just more pots and pans. Our microwave popcorn bowl, which is like so well used, and cooling racks. I definitely need to clean the cupboards out, but this is a kitchen declutter, not a kitchen clean, so I'm not doing that today. So I think it's time to do the pantry, which I guess this will be a little bit of organization and decluttering. Okay, so it's a little bit more organized. I didn't get rid of a ton of stuff, a little bit of food that was old, some things I didn't know because they were tucked back, but this is just a little bit more organized, I guess, here. Okay, it's now too loud to film in my kitchen, but I think my declutter is complete. I went through all the drawers that I needed to, all the cupboards, went through the pantry. The fridge is probably my favorite part because that's the most drastic before and after. Sometimes I just talk so fast the words just come out. That and that one cupboard, which I'm so thankful I went through, because that's where most of my stuff to declutter and throw out came from. So I hope this inspires you to do a bit of a declutter, or you just enjoyed it. Let me know what area of your house you plan on decluttering next. I think for me it's going to be the toys. I will see you guys again next week for another video.